What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a beautiful day in New York. Unfortunately, it's actually the afternoon. I don't know if you guys can see that. It is currently 4:52 p.m. I have to get these tires. Yes, the tires that should technically be on the back of my car, or on my car, or off my car, and that kind of correlates for what I have to do tomorrow. Unfortunately, Sunday, after doing everything we were doing on Sunday, we ran into an issue where the front tire was leaking. We decided to move the front tire to the rear, thinking it wasn't leaking in Alex's car. Let's move it to the rear and see what happens. We move it to the rear, perfectly fine all night, no issues. Well, fill up the tire, go to work, front left tire, flat again. Now that's a different tire than what it was the night before. So now we're thinking, what's wrong with the front of the car? I did talk to somebody. 215/40s on a 9.5 wheel does work on my car. Why isn't it working on my specific car? That's the question. We're not really sure, but what we decided, case of emergency, and well, we're really tired of dealing with the same issue over and over again. We decided we are going to go with, I don't know if you guys can see, we are going with Achilles ATR Sport 2, and we are doing a 225/45 all around. So unfortunately, the Scion is back on its stock wheels. So as you guys can see, the Scion, she looks a little soft. Part 2 is, well, you guys will see that soon. We are going to be dropping off the lip kit. It actually just got delivered today. We're going to be dropping that off on Sunday. But I want to give you guys a little bit of an update on what's going on. I know you guys were kind of looking for a cinematic at the end of last video. Well, she's dirty. We're tired, and unfortunately, so are the originals, the other tires. So what we're going to do today is we're going to clean up those wheels because they are in desperate need to be cleaned. While it is nice out today, I'm going to clean them, and actually we'll probably clean these too, just to get rid of the dirt from being around, I guess. Anyway, so let's clean these tires, and we'll go from there. They said it couldn't be done. You can't get 4 18 by 9.5 wheels, 4 sets of and 4 tires, 4 tires into a Scion TC. Don't mind how dirty the car is, but I'd say that worked. I was able to get all wheels, and the new tires in my car. Yeah. I had to put one tire in the front seat with me, riding shotgun. You know, this was a special one. Watch this one be the leaky one. But yeah, I'd say that worked. Well, time to go see Alex. Alright everybody, so it is the next day. Wasn't expecting to get all the tires in yesterday, but we seem to fit things nicely. This car is unbelievable when it comes down to storage space. Alex should be getting out of work soon. I would love to go get a drink from Starbucks, so I think that's what we're going to go do while we wait for him to get out of work. And once we're done getting out of once we meet up with Alex, we'll then go over and get the tires mounted. It's going to be a little bit more of like a quiet day. I know that this isn't like a crazy video, but I just want to give you guys an update, and when we go see Alex, we will definitely talk to him about everything that's going on. So, you guys want to see a cold start? I know it's not much. I mean, it is a TC. It's, you know. Like I said, not much. We're inside the. It's not that cold outside. It's 50 degrees outside. It is nice. It does look like it's about to rain. I know it was drizzling. I know it's scheduled to rain today. So yeah, I think it's a good day to mount some tires. And Alex is texting me. So yeah, let's go meet up with Alex and catch up with you guys in a sec. Come on, you can't lie. That's a really nice drink. Tastes really good. It's beautiful when it gets poured. Perfect drink. Definitely recommend. Highly recommend. Nitro Cold Brew, Starbucks. Hit me up. All right, guys, we're at Alex's house now. I know he wants me to park in one of the spots over there, but come on, you can't tell me that this isn't a great combo. Obviously the TL is gonna need to go on a set of wheels, but damn, we're gonna be repping everything. Silver on silver, right? Silver on black, Acura TL and TC style. All right, let me go move my car so Alex doesn't get upset.
Yay.
Whose fault is this?
This would be mine.
Right. There's a little bit of a clerical issue. Someone didn't tell someone that we weren't going to get them mounted today, that he was going to get them mounted later, blah, blah. So it's going to be dark for you guys. Yeah, it's not going to happen. I'm going home.
Yeah, and I'm going inside because it's warm and...
It's not that cold. I'm outside in short sleeves. It's not that cold. So Alex wants to put all this stuff in the back of his car, so... Get to loading.
Yeah.
Get to loaded. I thought they were going back in here. That's why. And you decided you want to change your mind.
I didn't change my mind. I was saving you money.
There was a miscommunication. Alex didn't explain everything that he was supposed to explain.
What the fuck?
He mansplained what was going on today.
First of all, this tire's holding air, so I don't know why we're switching these.
Because the front.
Oh, fucking Zion.
Well, in my defense, and I guess everybody else's defense, people do make the two 1540s work.
Yes, I have been for...
On the Scion. That's what I'm trying to say, on the Scion. I did talk to somebody, they said it was possibly tow.
Yeah, well, if it is tow, I'm gonna be pissed, so you better hope it's not.
Well, if it is towed, then I guess we're checking the tow.
Yeah.
On Sunday.
I hate you.
Well, they were in the back of my car, now they're in the back of Alex's car. They fit.
Back of Alex's car, they're in everywhere of Alex's car.
Back, front. The only good thing is you do have a back seat, and you don't need to put it in your front seat.
Yes, I do. There's one in my front seat.
Oh yeah, then my car definitely fits more. Well, I guess it fits the same amount, but
it's right there.
Oh yeah, that would interfere with my shifting.
You know what? It's a good thing I can adapt and overcome.
Yeah. All right. Have fun. Let me know when my wheels are mounted. I'll come back and get them tomorrow, I guess, huh?
Spoiled mother trucker. I'm going home.
You're going back to work.
Yeah, I'm going back to work. This is my lunch break. Thank you. Thank you so much.
I would have brought them to you.
Yeah, that would have been inconvenient. Would have felt bad.
Oh, except I'm all the way down here. Think I'm hanging out with you. You have to go back to work.
I know. I need a beer.
Well, I'm gonna go home, finish my Starbucks, and have a beer. Probably a Corona.
Wait, you have a Starbucks?
Yeah.
Wait, that's not fair.
I told you I was going to Starbucks.
You didn't bring me one. Now I'm sad.
My car is dirty.
Now I'm sad. Now I'm sad, Alex.
Yeah. My car is dirty.
That's okay.
All right. Well, go have fun at work. I'm gonna go home and mansplain what happened today.
Mansplain?
Yeah, like you and your description of what's gonna happen when I come here.
You'll live.
All right. Well, say bye, because I'm not gonna see you anymore today.
Bye, guys. Sad, Alex.
All right, guys. Well, I'll talk to you guys in a minute once I say bye to Alex. Alright guys, we are back at the house. Unfortunately, things didn't happen the way we wanted it to, or the way I thought it was going to work out. Alex forgot to tell me, hey, by the way, I have to go back to work. So Alex is back at work. So, what's going on? So, Alex has the wheels. Hopefully he's going to be able to get them mounted either later today or tomorrow. Hopefully he's able to get them today because I would like to pick them up tomorrow so we can mount them on Saturday, at least get more than a partial day of testing to make sure that they don't leak, because having to come home after a day of working and then be leaking and have to take off all the wheels again sucks, obviously. So hopefully we'll be able to get the tires mounted up on Saturday so we can do some testing, drive around, get a little bit cinematic. We do have to replace the sway bar end link because that is getting annoying. And I have the tools to do it, so I might as well do it. Something that that I noticed when we installed the coilovers. My first time, the coilovers on the car are about 3 years old, so hopefully we'll be able to fix that on Saturday. It should be relatively simple. But yeah, and on Saturday, maybe Saturday, I'll show you guys the body kit, or the lip kit for this IM. And on Sunday, Alex will be back. We're going to be working with the other Alex on his car and getting his wheels mounted up. Hopefully. He needs to let me know. So, Alex, if you see this, text me. Other than that, alright guys, have a good day. Like, comment, subscribe. And I will see you guys on Saturday. Enjoy.